Warning: the following video is performed by a trained professional. It is meant for educational purposes only. Please do not attempt to try anything you see here. Enjoy. Hey everybody, Dan from Southall Computing here. I got a repair report for a MacBook Pro 17-inch. This guy here was purchased off of eBay and it was supposed to start up, but unfortunately, when you go to turn it on, it immediately shuts off. Upon further investigation on the internet, I found out that it could be a bad logic board amongst other things, a bad GPU or whatever. So I did the normal stuff, checking the RAM, and that didn't seem to do it. But I did come across a rather interesting fix. They called it baking the apple, and essentially what you do is you got to disassemble the motherboard, or I should say the laptop, to get to the motherboard and actually bake it so it actually reflows all the ICs on the motherboard. This is going to be pretty hilarious since I got nothing to lose. Worst case scenario, I'll send it to a refurb place that I found on the internet. So we're going to switch to the other camera, do a time lapse, and go from there. Okay, we're back, and as you can see, it's definitely working. I still can't get over that, but it is a 17-inch MacBook Pro. They baking the motherboard on the forums and everything else. I can't believe I'm saying it, but it actually worked. It must have redid the solder joints or something, but yeah, this is like the 4th time I've rebooted this laptop, so pretty hilarious. A lot of work getting it, you know, out of the main board, actually out of the machine and putting it back in. But yeah, there you go. This is Dan from Southall Computing, and until the next time.